I'm with Mike Owen at Panasonic on the Panasonic stand at Photokina, and we're here looking at the newly announced Lumix S1R. And Mike, I'd like you to tell me a bit more about the S1R and the whole S system.
No worries, Nigel, thank you. So the S1R is the 47 megapixel version of the body, so we'll be launching two bodies early next year, the S1 and the S1R. The S1 will have 24 megapixels, the S1R, which we have here, will have 47 megapixels. Both bodies are fundamentally exactly the same in terms of the look and the feel, and they've very much been designed around the photographer. So in terms of the ergonomics, the positioning of the buttons, and they've been designed as a professional tool.
It's a little bigger than the other competitor full-frame mirrorless cameras, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's the reasoning behind that?
Well, again, it's about listening to feedback. One of the key things that we were told is about the ergonomics of the grip, how it feels in the hand, and that was so important to us that we wanted to actually make sure that it was a tool that a photographer could use on a daily basis without feeling constrained by the grip or how it operates on in your hand.
And what can you tell us about the key technologies and key features that the camera will have?
Well, a lot of the key features obviously will be confirmed next year. 47 megapixel full frame sensor. It will have 4K video. It will have dual IS. It will have the DFD and contrast-based AF systems as well. So a lot of the technology that people are used to seeing within the Lumix system.
Okay. Could you see? I guess you could see it as perhaps a full frame version of the G9 in a lot of ways in terms of feature set.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's designed to be a tool that somebody can work with, and having all of the key features such as dual memory card slots are important things that photographers are asking for these days.
Okay. And the difference between the two models is the S1 and the S1R is besides the resolution. Are there any other differences?
There may be some other differences. We haven't confirmed the full specifications yet, and that will come early next year.
Okay. But the S1, I guess, is designed to be more of a hybrid device for video as well.
Exactly. I mean, in terms of the target audience, the S1R is very much designed to be a stills photographer's camera. The S1 will be very much more as a hybrid-based camera. And as you know, as the resolution goes up in the sensor, actually being able to manage video becomes that much harder.
Also, tell me about the LMount.
So the LMount is an alliance between ourselves, between Leica and between Sigma, because each of us brings a unique set of technologies and benefits to the product. We've decided to base it around the LMount system because it's already an established protocol, which means we don't have to start again from scratch. By combining these three brands together, it allows us to make sure when we come to market we have a broad array of lenses to meet all of the photographer's requirements.
Okay, that's great. Thanks very much. So stay tuned for more videos from Photokina 2018.